We are with Mr. Jitu Patnaik, whose father used to give me 800 rupees for my MBA studies, and I was lucky enough to see him again in a Mumbai office. So this is Jitu sir. Sir, thank you so much, and whatever your family has done to me and doctors like me, and I'm sure, of course, I do remember each and everything, and I would like to inspire others to do the same way your father did, so that the whole mankind and whole society, they become better. India and everything. So ये सारे के सारे ये लोग हैं. Priyadarshini, you would like to say something? You want to?
I think just hearing the stories what his father did, and this is a chain reaction which has started because of what he has given to Dr. Pradeep. Dr. Pradeep himself realized, and he is helping others in back. So Utkal Gaurav, I think, is a part of it. So I think it's beautiful.
Sir, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
I thanks to all staff of this clinic. I thanks to Dr. Sethi. He has taken maximum pain for going to do something better for the poor children. I had entire story. I pray Lord Jagannath, he should achieve his goal, and he will be one day. You will find thousands and thousands of students will come with a job. So his determination, and everybody should cooperate, and we hope he is one day will be number one in India.
Yes, sir.
For the orphan children as well as the poor children, education facility.
Yes.
Thank you.
So we all are here in Mumbai Eugenics, and everybody, all the crew member are here along with Mr. Jitu Patnaik, and his father B.D. Patnaik. He has founded this charitable trust called B.D. Patnaik Charitable Trust, and the trust used to support poor and needy students like me, and his generosity has ensured that people like me could become professionals. And I used to get around 800 rupees per month from his father during my study days, and now I'm again so lucky to see him again here at Eugenics. And his generosity and his that 800 rupees per month over 5 years of my MBBS has made me so much indebted that forced me to do the school that we have been running for 4 years, and of course now we're going to do it in a big way, so that thousands of students would get studies and help to become great professionals, great businessmen, great artists. So the school will be the kind of institution which will be creating characters, as I said, not only professionals but characters, great human beings with moral and spiritual values that Paramahansa Yogananda has said in 1916, along with the thirst to become great in the fields. The fire should be in the belly to become the best in their fields, carrying the best of India, that is moral and spiritual value system. So everything started from the seed that his father has sown with the foundation of his charitable trust called B.D. Patnaik Charitable Trust, and Mr. Jitu Patnaik, the great son of the great father, is with us, and the whole Eugenics family here, and as well as people back at Delhi, Dehradun, Rishikesh, Gurgaon and Bhubaneswar, along with Mumbai, are indebted to him. Each and everything that we do here, all our professional success, all the lives that we touch are extension of the generosity of his father. And I would pray and I would wish and I would ensure that each and every member of Eugenics is indebted to him, including my children, which already I have introduced them to him. I don't want that they should forget that somebody else generosity has made me what I am today, and of course the people are linked to me, and I can't say that I am in a position to create many people like me, but I would ensure that I will organize something. I'll take the pain of organizing something. I will sacrifice my sleep, sacrifice my body to make an organization where poor and needy students would get the opportunity to get the world-class infrastructure, so that they are getting a very equal or competitive atmosphere, so that they can compete with the world later on and become shining stars scattered all over the world in their fields. So everything started from Mr. Jitu Patnaik's family, his father Bill Patnaik, and of course his whole family. I talked with them. I say that I am extension of my family. So I may not be the biological family member, but I'm a family member of their the thought process. So so words are inadequate to express my gratitude, but that's what Paramahansa Yogananda teachings is like. By showing my gratitude, being grateful, I only become better and finer. And he says God's mercy does not accumulate on proud mountain tops, but goes to get accumulated in humble valleys. So that's what his teaching is, and his teaching and his father's generosity has made me, like, enforced me to do the school, and rest of the whole, my village, my state, my everybody would be indebted to that, and it is an example. So Guruji says that when you spend for others' necessities as if for your own, then you kind of expand to universal self, and that's what his father did. And like, I'm making this video just to tell everybody that whenever you get some help, never ever forget that help. And sometimes the donor of yours might not be needing your kind of things as payback, but you should pay forward to the society in a very big and large way. And my mentor Salil Chaturvedi, whenever I used to tell him, sir, what I can do in return for you, he says, whatever help or whatever things that you're getting from me, pass it on to others. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you everybody, and I hope that you will achieve your goal very shortly.
Yeah, all these people are there.
Thank you.